Suppose you want to reuse portions of the information from models you've previously described in another project and transfer them to new models. For instance, let's say I want to transfer data from a CRAC model to a model based on the CQRS metamodel. Why would I do this? Well, in the CRAC model, I have concepts like command, domain concept, and event. While in the CQRS model, I encounter concepts like command, command handler, event, and event handler. Upon closer examination, I notice that the command and event concepts are common between the CRAC and CQRS models. It seems reasonable to transfer some of the commands and events defined in the CRAC model to the CQRS model. How do we achieve this? Let's start by navigating to the CRAC model. From the top menu, we'll enter the Reuse Model section and declare our intention to reuse this model. On the subsequent page, I specify the destination model, the one into which the data should be integrated. For example, let's transfer information from the CRAC model within the Orders subdomain to the CQRS model in the Products subdomain. This is just an illustrative example. After selecting the subdomain, I indicate that I want to integrate this information into the CQRS model. Clicking the Reuse button triggers the system to read the CRAC model information and merge it with the CQRS model information. This integration adheres to the rules and constraints defined in the CQRS metamodel. For instance, while the CRAC model includes the domain concept, this concept isn't defined in the CQRS metamodel. Consequently, information related to domain concept won't be transferred. However, since both metamodels share the command and event concepts, data related to these will indeed be transferred. Now, if I navigate to the Products subdomain and open Model 04, which corresponds to CQRS, I can observe that information from the CRAC model has been successfully transferred. Commands now reside here, and events are located there. Additionally, if there are relationships between concepts in the source model that align with those in the destination model, information about these relationships will also be transferred. Keep in mind that if the relationships differ between the source and destination models, as in this example, that information won't be transferred. This tool feature enables seamless integration of information from one model into another, whether they share the same metamodel or have different metamodels.